Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
For responsible politicking and raising your voice and putting your mind and your soul on, putting things right in our society, fighting for responsible governance. You did roll up your sleeves and got busy with actual heavy lifting for the vote not fight campaign. What prompted that decision to really step into that energy?
Okay.
Man, the main thing that, the key thing that pushed me in that direction was once I became aware of how politics affects everything that we do, it became apparent to me that most times, it's very clear, young people, violence, snatch balls, the people that are actually doing this fighting, they are not even in the scheme of beneficiary of and it just gets too, sometimes it's embarrassing, sometimes it's, are they stupid, sometimes are they so ignorant, whatever you want to call it. It's amazing how you are hungry, then they give you one tiny this thing, because of that one, it's got that food with plenty. That's how I see it. Penny wise, pound foolish. So for me to start hammering it into the consciousness of young Nigerians was very, very needed. They've heard it many times before, but you can never say it enough. So for me, every election will be vote or fight. Along that line, I started telling them about opening their minds to all the other things that they should see before they engage or let anybody use them for violence. And I think we achieved quite, because I think there's two studies that actually, how do I say, measure results, and we got a very positive rating in terms of the number of yes. But this last election, it shifts more. It was dicey. It was a very this one was that crazy election.
Yeah, I hear you. But it's played off, It's played off because I think everybody in the room will agree that this last election is a combination of so many works and efforts of so many people over the years, including that of the what you started doing.
What I'm most happy about is no violence.
Yes.
We're good. For me right now, it's just to still keep on preaching this message of non-violence.
Yes.
I'm happy that I'm almost everywhere. For me, peace is, when there's peace, the community thrives. And it's just simple as ABC. Common sense. In any form or shape. So for me, it was how do they say that, a no-brainer to be part of that. How do you describe this thing? How people go, in fact, it was a no-brainer.
Yeah, the other day I had the privilege of visiting a group of people in Mushi. And I saw some young boys there, and after I gave my talk, I got into them and to engage them. And one of them had a bad leg. And I asked him, is this how you were born? Or did this happen to you? And he said, no. somebody had given him an injection some years ago. For some reason, there was a nurse in the middle of to help him. It was a fake drug. That affected him. I don't know what it is called, but he has not worked since then. But that is not really the problem. So because he has not worked since then, he felt he didn't really have a chance to do so many things. You will not believe the kind of business that he does right now with his friends. They dig potholes. So they go to a good road and dig potholes to create traffic. And then I was stunned to say, dig potholes, who pays you for that kind of job? Say, oh, the guys who sell recharge cards, the guys who sell pure water, the guys who vendors, they have an association, so they pay them. So they go to dig the potholes, so there will be traffic, and when there's traffic, those that are making money and they are being sorry. That is a disease, that's not a problem anymore. Because people are now feeding on the mediocrity of the system. That is instructive. But I've asked myself, if this guy have had a privilege of having an environment that pays attention to him, right? If he didn't get that fake drug to lead him to where he is, will he have better options in life? Will he be able to think better? And all of that. So these things count beyond the obvious. They go deep beyond what we can do in nature, right? And that is why efforts like this are pretty much priceless. Which takes me to the next question on your wow. So just in case you guys don't know, two had built a state-of-the-art digital analog studio for the Department of Music at the IBAKATV-YORUBAPLAY University. So what was that for you? It's not even your school. I mean, why would you go out of your way to make that kind of investment?
Well, first off, great university.
Yes.
Music. I was given an honorary degree. Have you had a
Honorary degree?
Yes. I remember I'm a fellow of the School of Music. University, and that was really huge for me. It was a huge honor for me, and I promised them that music is my forte, and I'm gonna try this, and I'm hoping that a couple of the next generation stars, superstars, are going to come through that studio and make stuff happen. The next album, everything will come out. The package for our studio as well.
Great.
For me, it's
yes, you can do that.
That's the goal, and I intend to like take it around as far as my pocket reach. I'll still call one or two people to support me, but I intend to take it around.
Yeah, and that's exactly what I wanted to lean into.
Yes.
What results